Here are 4 ways to clean a nonstick pan. First, allow the pan to cool completely. Once cool, rinse the pan with warm water and soap to remove food particles. Gently scrub the surface with a non-abrasive sponge to avoid scratching the coating. Rinse again to ensure no soap or residue is left on the surface. Dry the pan with a soft towel to prevent water spots. There are 2 effective methods for cleaning a burnt pan. For method 1, start by using soap and warm water to remove leftover food. Gently scrub the burnt areas with a non-abrasive sponge until food remains are gone. Rinse off the soap, then dry the pan completely. For tougher stains, use method 2, a mixture of vinegar and baking soda. Mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda, white vinegar, and a small amount of water in the pan. Heat the mixture for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally to help break down burnt food. Let the pan cool, then rinse and dry as usual. Non-stick pans may develop sticky residue. Here's how to clean it. Add a mixture of vinegar and water in a 2-to-1 ratio to the pan. Bring the mixture to a simmer to loosen the sticky residue. Once the pan cools, rinse and wash it as usual with soap and water. Dry the pan thoroughly to avoid any spots or damage. Follow these simple methods to keep your nonstick pan in top condition.